Hi everybody. So far here on Built by Pete, I've covered videos from topics including computing, networking, home electrics, DIY, maker projects, and much more. But I haven't yet covered solar or battery storage on this channel. I've been interested and I've been keeping an eye on the solar market, but I've always felt it's not been very DIY friendly and professional installs are far too expensive. But now things are really changing. Europe, for example, has taken the lead on DIY affordable plug-in solar, and now the UK has said it's going to do the same this year. Plug-in solar is a real game changer for DIY solar, and I've decided to dip my toe in the water and start exploring and experimenting to see just how good it is. The first project is going to be a simple DIY plug-in solar project. This is going to consist of a microinverter and a single solar panel plugged directly into the wall socket. This should be the cheapest and simplest way to get started and start saving some money on my electricity bills. So to get started, I've ordered an ecoflow 800 watt microinverter and a 500 watt solar panel. I'm really excited to get started as soon as they arrive. I'm not starting this as an expert. I'm starting as a student of the technology. I'll be providing updated articles over on my blog at builtbybeat.net and of course videos here on my YouTube channel showing exactly how I installed the equipment, which accessories I used and honest evaluations of their performance. If this is something you think you'll enjoy, please subscribe to the channel and follow along. It should be really interesting. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video.